2%. Okay, group 1. We ready na po this? If the level is not already okay, so let's have here group 1 for their presentation. So here the okay, so again, listen for the presentation of group 1.
Good day, everyone. Today
Do you want, we're going to use this. So, hello.
Good day. Good day, everyone. Today we are the reporter of Group 1, and we are going to tackle about our answer about the global warming, a threat to mankind. What is greenhouse? How does it work? Well, a greenhouse is a glass building which is commonly farmers use to prevent their crops or plants from pests, and the heat is trapped in it, which allows the plant for better growth, life growth. Now for the number 2 is, what do we mean by the greenhouse effects?
Greenhouse effect is the exchange of incoming and outgoing radiation that forms the Earth.
For our number 3, what will happen if greenhouse gases absorb too much heat and radiate it back to Earth?
Excessive heat absorption will lead to global warming, showing signs like climate change, drought, and other phenomena that will cause harm to our Earth.
Okay, so for our first one, we have is deforestation. So we all know deforestation is cutting down of trees. The effect of it is we can have severe floods caused by extreme weathers. So I think the remedy or action for it is, of course, the most obvious one is plant more trees.
Second is burning fossil fuels, and its effect is excessive smoke in our atmosphere. And for our remedy or action, we should lessen the use or quarrying of fossil fuels.
For our third, our cause is rising sea levels, and the effect is less snow or ice. For our remedy in action,
we need to be alert. If there's, of course, rising sea level, we need to be alert if it is already, like, the level of the sea is already increasing, so it can lead to tsunami also. So we need to be alert. For our fourth one, we have is quarrying. The effect of it is, of course, soil erosion. So I think the remedy of it is also plant more action and be more responsible on the environment, so that the health of the soil is good and no trashes or garbage is found in it. So I think the last one of our cause is oil mining. So for our effect of oil mining probably this one. Oil mining. The effect of oil mining. I think the effect of oil mining is the increasing less resources and also the increasing of prices for, of course, our the vegetables, the fruits, and everyday needs. So I think the remedy or action of it is like the remedy of action for oil mining is lessen the mining, of course, of oil, so that there's still resources left for others not just for only the government and those who need this. And also for our future generation. So we are not only the generation that needed that, also the future. And
Very well said.
thank you.
Yay!
Okay, very good, group 1. Okay, so later I will give you your score. So I have here your rubric, okay, per group. So we have here, who's the second group to present? Group 2. Okay, please come here at the front. Okay, listen. Okay, let's listen to your group 2.
Hello everyone, I am Septo Mambing.
I am Silent Crisologo.
Hi, hello, good morning everyone. We are Group 2 and we are here to present
Global warming and the greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect? How does it work? The greenhouse effect is mostly used by farmers to protect our planet Earth from the excessiveness of cold and heat or heat and fat. What do we mean by greenhouse effect? As we all know, the greenhouse effect already caught up many parts of our life. The greenhouse effect is the change of incoming and outgoing radiation that helps warm our environment in the world that we live in. What will happen is the greenhouse gases absorb too much heat and radiate it back to Earth. It will be hard for human well-being to sustain their life. These are also heat-trapping gases that is produced by air pollution due to human activities that result in the rise of our temperature.
So in the next slide, we will show you the table that we created. So this is the cause, burning of fossil fuels. So what can be the effect? So the effect is the increase of carbon dioxide. As our science teacher said, that we can use or we can just walk instead of using cars that uses fossil fuels. Second cause, digging of natural oils. Effect, melting of icebergs. Now, in today's society, we know that many icebergs already melted because of the rising temperatures. So, we can prevent the digging of natural oils. So we can prevent the melting of icebergs. So, this is where our presentation ends. Thank you.
Okay, very good, group 2. So let's give them a round of applause. Okay, and how about the third group to present? You can do this. You can do it.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are the representatives of Group 4. Now, we will be showing you our output for this certain activity that Ma'am Talas gave us. Now, let's jump onto the first question. What is a greenhouse and how does it work?
Answer. A greenhouse is a place where you put plants. A greenhouse works by using glass as walls and ceilings. Light from the sun reflects inside because of the glass, which leads to every plant having the light and heat it needs to survive.
Next question. What do we mean by greenhouse effect?
Answer. Greenhouse effects means that infrared rays bounce back to Earth due to the greenhouse gases that rise to the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases block the infrared rays from bouncing back to space, which leads to it bouncing continuously back to Earth.
Last question. What will happen if greenhouse gases absorb too much heat and radiate back to Earth?
The answer. If greenhouse gases absorb too much heat and radiate it back to Earth, then the Earth may experience global warming due to extensive cause and effect of global warming and the remedies of action. Cause greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. The effect is global warming. The remedy action is reduce or stop doing such activities that use greenhouse gases. Second, climate change. Effect, less snow and ice. Remedy and action, reduce garbage and waste. Third, deforestation. Effect, soil erosion and flooding. Remedy action, plant more trees. That's all. Thank you for listening and let's sing.
Okay. Okay, let's give them a round of applause. A very also lively presentation. And lastly, let us have your group 3.
Good morning, everyone. We are the representatives from Group 3. So today we're going to talk about the global warming and greenhouse effects. What is a greenhouse? How does it work?
The greenhouse, it is a glass establishment used to trap the heat from the sun inside. Number 2, what do we mean by the greenhouse effect?
Greenhouse effect is the exchange of incoming and outgoing radiation.
Number 3, what will happen if greenhouse gases absorb too much heat and radiate it back to Earth?
The Earth will not have its normal temperature, and the surrounding will be extremely hot. And it may cause the many negative effects like melting of icebergs and much more prone to drought. So this time, we're going to answer the table that talks about the global warming, the cause, effect, and the remedy of it.
So, the first cause is smoke from factories. The effect is air pollution and hotter air. The remedy for it is to use more solar panels.
Second one is the burning of fossil fuels. The effect is like foster extinction rather of fossil fuels. We're going to the remedy for it is we should less usage of fossil fuels.
Number 3, deforestation. The cause is deforestation, the cutting down of trees. The effect is less food source and more erosions. The remedy, plant more trees.
Fourth one is the emission of cars, smoke. The effect, the ozone layer may get weaker. Remedy, use bicycle or we should walk for short travels.
And last but not the least, mining and quarrying. The effect for it is erosions and less resources. The remedy, be more responsible of our environment.
So that's all. Again, we are the representative from Group 3 and reporting you about our presentation. Goodbye.
Okay, very good. Also group 4, group 3 rather. Okay, so we're running out of time, class, but I already got your score here using our rubric, the background, the text font, okay, and the content accuracy, spelling and grammar, use of graphics, effectiveness, and presentation. For the presentation, you're all got perfect score, and also for the effectiveness. And some of you are in the background, so some are not quite, so lang naman. Pero, do you want to know your score or next week? After discussing the answer. Now? We're already late. Okay. Okay, for group 1, what's that? Okay, group 1, the background. So the highest points here is 4 plus 4. Hindi ko na kayang basahin pa lahat kung ano yung mga nakalagay. But, so group 1, background 4, text font 4, for the content accuracy, we got 3 kasi hindi ko natapos. Okay? Then spelling and grammar score, yung sa graphics 4. Effectiveness is 4, and presentation is 4. So you got 27 points. Out of 28 po ito ha, so wag lang po yun. Okay, group 2, background 4, text and font 4, content and accuracy, that is 3. Okay, spelling and grammar is 4, use of graphics 4, effectiveness 4, presentation, okay, so that is not also, the presenter, one of your presenter is medyo mahina ang kanyang boses, even though there's a mic here, but I cannot understand. Okay, so, but you're good. Okay, so you got 26 out of 28, that is also very good. Okay, group 4, so background is good, so animated, talaga lahat yung kanilang and then the font is just 3Y, very small letters, okay? And then content accuracy is 4, spelling 4, use of graphics is 4, effectiveness is 4, presentation is also 4 because you are very lively in presenting your report. So again, you got 27 points out of 28. And this is group 4. What's the group 4? Group 3. Okay, group 3. Okay, background. Ito po yung medyo konti lang yung ating mga background. So that is 3. For text is 4, content accuracy is 4, spelling and grammar is 4, use of graphics, so walang masyado, right? Okay, that is 3. Effectiveness is 4, and presentation is also 4 because you are very also lively in presenting your report. So you got 26 out of 30. Okay, guys, thank you so much. You are very good. I'm amazed on your abilities on how to make a PowerPoint presentation. Mas magaling na yung gumawa sa akin ng PowerPoint. So, ako kasi simple lang talaga akong gumawa. Okay, so using of ICT in our lesson is very much helpful. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so we're going to finish our discussion, the answering or checking of your activities next week. So that's all for this day. Goodbye and